Hi, my name is Mariah Peace. I am a wife, mom, and expert bookkeeper with over 10 years of experience, and I've helped over 80,000 people learn about bookkeeping and see if it's a good fit for them. Today, we're going to be talking about the bookkeeping business model. And if I'm honest, this is the reason I chose this industry. So, the bookkeeping business model works like this. Most clients will come to you and they will either be behind on their bookkeeping and need a cleanup, or they will have no bookkeeping at all and need a setup on the software. I recommend and use QuickBooks, and those are your project type incomes. So that's the 5,000 to 10,000 to maybe get them caught up from a year. Maybe they're behind 2 years. It's just going to depend on the workload, but those are like large upfront projects. Those same clients, once they're up to date, they don't want to fall behind again. So you're going to put them on a monthly service, which means you go into their books one time a month, complete the bookkeeping, and send them reports. This will keep them up to date. This will keep them understanding their numbers. This will keep them compliant for taxes. So I would say about 9 out of 10 clients that come to you for a project will move to a monthly service. So that's the business model, those two types of income built in. And because you have both types of income, you don't necessarily need hundreds and hundreds of clients to make good money, to make six figures, to hit your income goal. I have a member who, with just 3 clients, she hit six figures because she focused on 3, mid-sized clients, and she's a wife and a mom and has other things going on. So right now she's staying at that point. But you can even, I would say on average, 5 to 10 clients is about what my members get to reach their income goal. And when it comes to the time that goes into this business model, obviously projects do take a little bit more time, but the monthly service, I would say like on an average client that's maybe paying you $800 to $1,000 a month, it's less than 5 hours a month of work, or less than, sometimes it's 2 hours once you have them on a system and caught up. So you're not trading time for money. You're able to work with 5 to 10 clients, charge $800 to $1,000, and, make great money while working part-time. Most of my members, and even me, I've always worked part-time with bookkeeping because I've had kiddo after kiddo. And so I've tried to keep my work schedule down to like nap time. But it's totally up to you how you want to build your business. I have members in my community who have built $1 million bookkeeping businesses, and they have full staff and all of that. You don't have to go that route. You can totally build it however you want, but the business model almost can't be beat if you're looking for something that's beginner friendly to get into. You don't need a degree, and you're able to have that one-time project income, large chunks of money coming in, and also recurring income every single month. Because a lot of my members, once they're at, let's say they get to 5 clients at $1,000 a month, they're making $5,000 a month. Some of them even stop there and just focus on working part-time and, just having that income freedom. So that's the best thing too. It's like when you have clients, you're not sticking to this schedule. You're through the month picking your schedule of when the books you want to do the books, and you're sending them over the reports. It's complete ownership, and you get to pick what clients you want to work with and what workloads you want to take on and that kind of stuff. So this business model is perfect really for moms, for anybody looking for flexibility, for anybody looking for location freedom, anybody that's just like, look, I don't want to do the normal 9 to 5 thing, or you want to supplement your income, or maybe you're retired. This really can work for people in any stage of life, because we all have our reasons for needing that control over our time, control over our schedule, and that flexibility with money still coming in and not being dependent upon us, working these certain amount of hours. I have a free 3-day workshop inside of my 80,000 member school community where I go over this business model in depth. I mean, I take it all apart. I show you how you can go from a beginner to having your certification and getting clients. On day 1 inside this workshop, I go over the business model, what bookkeeping looks like to do it, how to do it with software, all of that good stuff. On day 2, I show you what it looks like to do it with a client, start to finish, how much you can make. On day 3 is your 30 to 60 day launch plan. So here I go through step by step how I've got to where I am. I show you exactly where to go to get free training, to get free certification, how to set your business up for free. And I also teach you exactly how I get clients. So this free day workshop is a great place for you to go if you're like, I'm a beginner. I'm not sure if this is going to be a good fit for me. This is going to help give you a lot of knowledge and a lot of insight of what it looks like to run a bookkeeping business, what it looks like to get clients, and all of that. And so this is completely free inside my community. The link is in the description. Be sure to share that with friends, or if you want to do it with somebody else, that's great. If not, click on there, get registered. You will get instant access to day one. You'll get instant access to the community to ask questions. You can ask me questions, and then you'll also get instant access to the whole training. So everything's self-paced and online. Do not wait. Do not procrastinate. Jump on over there and go ahead and join the workshop. You can do it at your own pace. Like, subscribe, share this video if it has helped you learn more about bookkeeping.